Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. No, yo conozco. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everybody. What's today?
Friday.
Fantastic Friday, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, Alberto German, Capital Trade Center. I'm going to be reading the market live, real time, as it's happening in front of a studio audience, Mystique.
Okay.
Like we do every single day, Monday through Friday from 9 to 12, right?
That's right.
Because that's the only way that you can prove consistency, you know?
Yes.
It's very important. It's the only way to be a little bit believable. Right? And that's very important to know. The overall market direction is sideways. The overall market direction is sideways, right? That's very important that now we need to go and find those the structure that we're going to be playing. So how many times would you say the overall market direction is sideways? 60, a little bit more, maybe 65% of the time. Lately, we've been having directional. That's pretty good. All right, so we're going. It's been a while that we haven't had a sideways action. So remember, okay? Remember all the rules and regulations. We are a rule-based mathematical system. Okay? So the overall market direction is sideways. However, remember that we have a prediction addiction here, right? So our edge is that we forecast, we prognosticate what's the price going to do. And it's a little bit more complicated because we want to know what's going to do short term, medium term, and long term, right?
Right.
So not only we prognosticate, right? Projection is a prognostication, but we also know we go after not only where the price is going, but how it's gonna get there, and how it's gonna get there is gonna give us the short, medium, long-term momentum. Okay, that's tough. So what I can tell you right now is that we have the first resistance is at 109, and I believe that we're gonna have a lipping action, and then this is the short term. The longer term, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be on top of it. The future intention of the smart money, guess what it is, Mystique?
What is it?
Down. Oh my God, really? Correct. So we have a bearish bias, even though the overall market direction is sideways, right? Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the bear's trip is all the way to 82. Price right now, 102, 103, right? How it's gonna get there? Well, everything, there's a whole bunch of little supports. 97 is gonna stop it, 94 is gonna stop it, 91 is gonna stop it, and then a clean break of 90, 92, 93. We are on our way all the way to 83, 81. It's gonna be a 2-point range, 81, 83. That's the trip to the downside. Trip to the downside is in alignment with the future intention of the trend. Remember that we are in a overall market direction in a channel. And what's the high? Well, the high is right there. Everybody can see the high, right? High is right there, 116. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a predetermined pivot resistance, 23. The first resistance, predetermined pivot, 23. Therefore, we all know that 23 is a short, right? And 81 is a predetermined pivot support, which is target 1 for the bear trip. Okay, and as we always do, target 1 is an automatic retracement. Okay, so we totally take advantage of counter trending it. Alrighty. Okay, so now let's go look for. It's early, right? It's only 9:09. 21 minutes to open, but we know the future. We know the intentions of the smart money, what it is they really want to do, right? Hold on a second. So we're gonna pay real close attention to 103, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting there. All right. So we're gonna pay 103, extremely important. Clean break of 103 to the downside. Then the future intention of the trend, it's on its way to our target. Right? Okay. Remember, 89. Okay. First, that's the first one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 103 is the gauge. We see a clean break of 103, and our prediction that the trend is going down will be in alignment with it. Okay, as long as the price is above 103, we're gonna have a 107, 103, 107, 103, 103, 107, 107, 107, leaping up and down, and then we will be able to see if the bulls are the bulls are in control above 103. All right, but they're not going to 13 the way the bears are going to 89. All righty, okay. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that if the smart money really wants to go down, they're not gonna make it easy on anybody. They first need to take all the stops of all the weak bears, right? That's what they do all the time. That's their job. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So break to the upside, right? I told you. Oh, look at 03, 103, 103, 103, 103. We had to wait for the open. The open, we have a nice momentum. It breaks that 07, and the breaking of 07 is what gave us confirmation that we are on the right side, short term, long, to 113. So let's go ahead and pay attention to every single little second right now, because we all know what happens if it doesn't reach 13, right? We all know it's a fatigue. As long as we are above 103, ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, since 9 a.m., we're long. The break of the aggressive trader is long right here, 103, right? Nice break. And then confirmation, the momentum at the open. We take 107. We are comfortable believing that it'll continue to 13. So that's the main play. All righty. Is he gonna get there in a one straight line? I doubt it. So if it comes back to our trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Where are our supports? 107, 90, 105, which is the entry long, 105, and of course 103. Okay, so all those levels, we're gonna pulse them long. It is not until the price destroys 103 or the new level that I'm going to give you later on that we are going with the future intention of the trend, which is to go down. Alrighty, and it can change any second. You know that the market is dynamic. I can change forecast on a drop of a hat, right?
That's correct.
Okay. So the bearish play is a standby. Main play right now is long the open. We were above 103. We saw the open taking the 107. That's another buy limit. Look at that beautiful buy limit. And remember that we are all about knowing all the time direction, entry location, right? Stop protection, destination targets, position size, trade management, and account management. Every single trade of ours has got to have all 7 elements present. So, long story short, it doesn't matter if the price never plummets and never goes to whatever I said, 81, and never goes down, right? And it goes up forever, all day today, and we buy 2 Lamborghinis today. We're already long right here, expecting the price to continue to 13. 13, we're going to pulse it out. We're going to take a small counter trend short, right? And it's a counter trend. We're not going to get out of our main play long until we get target 1, target 2, target 3, or I tell you to get out, change hats, time to go the other way. That's all there is about trading. That's it. That's all there is about day trading, Mystique. Okay, pretty good, ladies and gentlemen, right? 105 again, right? Remember what I told you. We're gonna we have 107 first support. That's extremely minor. And then right here, right, this support right here, 105. I told you 105. Bulls are going to get back in. It is not until the break of 103 that we're going to change hats to bear in terms of the main play. Now remember what I told you. We wanted 13. Price goes to 12, right? From here, from 95 to 12. That's right. That's beautiful, right? From 105 to 12. Right, so that's 7 points. And remember what I told you, not reaching 13 is a bearish fatty. So right now we are in that fight. Okay, all right. So where are we at right now? 103, 113. Right, main play still long. I told you this is going to be all support area to buy. Right here, 105, beginning 105. Price goes to 10. What is that? 104. Quarter, not even 1 point below the 105 that I told you. It's a long, and now the fight continues right here. Okay, now we wanted to be counter trend short 13. I told you we're gonna short 13, but the price didn't go. And look at this beautiful thing. So what do we think right now? Well, pretty much we think that the price is on its way to the future intention of the trend. The one that I've been telling you all morning is where the smart money is really thinking taking the price today, right? Look at it. Oh my God, CAPI. It's called chop. Look, leap up and down, right? Okay. So those of you who are aggressive and you didn't wait for 13 and you took a shot right here 11 when you saw the recoil, this is what you're after. Testing of 103, the breaking of it, and a continuation to 89. Breaking of 03, remember, the fatty short right here is much better than going short, but you have to be aggressive. Much better to be short 11, right, 12, than wait for the break of 103. What do you think? It's gonna break 103 nicely, beautiful, and it's gonna go to 89 in one straight line? Sometimes it happens. I don't see it happening. We have a double bottom right here that, right, 5100, hello, 5100, 5100 is a psychological level, right? Alrighty, but it is 103, the one that is gonna tell us if the main play is finally in the hands of the bears. Bulls, they're going to defend this area right here. Believe you me. Okay? All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this beautiful bounce off of our long 83. Look at this. Razor sharp goes to 102, 1 point. And look at this beautiful bounce all the way to 07, right? So the main play, ladies and gentlemen, is still long. 103 needs to be completely, totally taken, right? And we still want 13, okay? So don't think that it's not there yet. It's not.